Okay guys, once you've got your app installed for your product reviews, it's important that you keep monitoring them and you remove any negative ones. So just quickly, if you go to apps, any app that you've got installed, if you go to apps here, this shows you your installed apps, and you click on the app, that will take you into the app of how you control them. So you can see the app, the review that I published here. If we click it, that takes us in where we can read it. We can reply to it, and we can also delete it as well, or unpublish it up here. Okay, each app will be slightly different, but you'll have control where you can remove those apps. So a bad review is probably even more powerful than a good review, so make sure you stay on top of those and you remove any bad ones. Okay, don't worry about it, don't take it personally. It's gonna happen. You just got to dust yourself off. You know, if you've got something that people keep saying that it's a bad product, then obviously take note and make the change. But you're going to get people that will leave you bad reviews. It happens, things go wrong, whatever. Just make sure you don't leave those on your website. Okay, thanks guys, bye for now.